Oh, so do I.
Twofer?
Yep. I got one. Nice one. It's taking out drag. Ooh. We got a twofer on. We got a twofer on.
Oh, Paul got a log.
Paul's got a log? Okay. I think I got a nice fish on here. I can't turn her right now. Yeah, this thing's big. Yeah, it's big.
Watch the motor.
Yep, I will. Might have to go around you.
Yep. Take your time.
Okay. Yeah, this thing's big.
Take your time. We'll take all day. It's staying down like hell.
Yeah, I know it is. This thing's... Oh, dude, I think it's a big bass. It's a big bass.
No way.
Yeah, it's another big bass. Here he comes.
Stop it.
It's another big bass. Yes, another tanker, bro. Not like Paul's, but man, he missed it.
A great fish.
Okay, there we go. Dude, he fought. Oh, yes, that's what hit it. Look, a big pike hit it. That's what I was feeling.
When you were reeling it in.
Look at that. Look at that. That's what I was feeling.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. Look, he got cut up. That's brand new.
That's amazing. It just
That's brand new.
Now?
Yeah, I think it did because it's bleeding.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Wow, that's what I felt. I'm like, there's no way that big bass or this bass fought like that.
What's up? I'm hung up over here. Oh
wow, something big went after that.
Oops, sorry,
that's what I was feeling.
There you go.
I feel like we're. Oh, there's one.
Bang. Oh my god. You get him?
Yeah. Yeah, he's big.
Right off that edge.
Come on, get out of there. I don't know where he's at right now. I think he's in. Yeah, he's big. I can't even pull him right now. Oh, it came off. Oh man,
Bass?
I have no idea. I couldn't even pull him.
It was probably hard to get the hooks in with the stretch on the line.
Yeah. I had the drag set way too low. Anybody know what time?
Time it is?
Yeah.
4:40.
4:40. Wow, that went by fast.
Only 2 hours, right?
Yeah, it was a quick 2 hours though. No, 3 hours. We got here at 2. 2 hours and 40 minutes. Right? Didn't we get here at 2?
Oh my god.
Or maybe 2:30.
I'm not sure.
Got one?
I don't think anything good.
Little turd on there?
Little turd. No, a little
It's pulling out drag. That's a decent one, dude. Whoa. Dude. Oh. Oh my gosh, dude. That's a decent one. Oh yeah, you got him hooked perfect too. It's the lipper. There you go. Perfect. All right, nice. Good one.
We had him hooked again.
Yep.
Rate the dive.
Okay, let's rate it. Oh,
it's about there off the back.
It's about a 3. 4. I'll give it 4.
Yeah, thank you.
All right.
Like I said, dude, just
Pike City.
Is it tomorrow too? Because I'm gonna be there tomorrow.
Oh, yeah, there he is. You're good. Yep, he's big. Yeah, he's pulling the boat.
Yeah, I'm gonna do my best.
Yeah, he's bass. Big bass.
Big bass.
Yeah, he's pretty big. He's coming up again.
All the rogueness.
Oh, come on, stay down, stay down. Dang, oh, there he goes again. Oh, he's big. He's big.
Well, I'm gonna do my best. I'm out here shooting this thing right now. I'm gonna do my best to get out here.
Stay down, stay down. Dude, these things are just fighting like tanks, man.
True.
You're a bull drag?
Well, I can't because I'm going to St. Norbert, bro. We're staying up there on Wednesday.
Chase is on the phone, catching tanks. Oof, get him in. Oh, yes. Let's go. That's a piggy. That might be one of our biggest ones.
Yeah. Sounds good. Feels good.
Yeah, she does.
I'll call you and let you know.
Oh yeah, that's a piggy. That's a piggy.
What's going on, Merc?
Well, this camp I'm supposed to do with this guy. And geez, what is it?
Yeah, this is a pig right here. Okay, let me get that pliers. He wasn't coming off, that's for sure. There's no way. My gosh. You want to get a weight on her?
Yeah.
I think she's over 3. Feels kind of heavy. That's the biggest bass of the year for me right now. Wow, what a tank. Okay. Wow. I thought for sure it was a pike.
I probably fought like heck.
It did. It really did. It did. Okay. Come on, girl. She's gonna go. There she goes. Wow.
Yeah, dude.
We should troll on the way in.
That's a good call. That's how we got the big one last time.
I won't put out very much line.
What keeps it down deeper? I think when it's back there farther. What's that? Look at that branch behind you.
Oh yeah. Man, if I get bit like this, you better hold on. Something did bump it there. And we're moving pretty quick too.
Just sitting back and cruising.
Do you ice
Yeah.
fish?
Yeah.
I do a lot of that.
I probably do more. I'm probably more serious about ice fishing than I am open water fishing.
I do just as good ice
Yeah.
fishing as I do.
I don't
Oh, there's one. Got one. Yeah, it's nice.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is really nice. Yep, that's a big head shake. That's a big head shake. Yep, that's a really big head shake. Dude, this is a big fish. No doubt about it. This is a big pike. I'm just gonna ease them in because there's a lot of line out there. Oh yeah, yeah, he's pretty big.
It was that current probably. He is.
He's not that big. I thought he was pretty. I thought he was a lot.
Though.
Yeah, I thought he was bigger. I don't think I'll be able to.
How you met him?
No, I don't think so.
You want me? I could just grab him for you.
Yeah. And I'd like to see a big boy just come up and get him.
Good hook set too.
I'll just let him go if he's gonna go on a run like that. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, they look pretty in here. Okay. I'm right behind. Okay, I'll get you the pliers. You okay?
Yep.
Oh.
Good try.
Yeah, he's full of energy right now. I'll do that. I think it's just got with the back hook, right?
Mm-hmm. Relax. Come here. Right in the tray. These are sharp as hell.
I know, right?
That one.
Okay. They really are sharp.
They're perfect for this.
Yeah.
Though.
They are. Man, I thought he was a lot bigger than that. But that's still a nice pike, though. Yeah, you can get the release on them. Yeah. Okay. That works. That works.
Those little guys, they got
Yeah.
energy.
All right, well, I guess that concludes the day right there, for sure.
Some good numbers.
Absolutely. That was a great day today. And perfect way to release the last fish. He was ready to go. Good job today, Paul. Good job. Good job, Chase. Good job. Awesome day. Awesome day. Thanks, guys, for watching. And we will definitely be back here soon. So catch you guys later.